Good morning all of you. Hope all are fine. Today we start our second chapter, sort and filter data. Sort data in Microsoft Excel. Sorting means to rearrange the data in an organized manner, either ascending order and descending order. Sorting helps us to rearrange the data in an organized manner that is easy for us to work with. You can sort data in two ways. First, ascending order, and second, descending order. Follow the given steps to sort data in Microsoft Excel worksheet. Step first, open Microsoft Excel worksheet. Second, click on any cell that contains data. Step third, click on data tab. Step 4, click on any one of the following option in sort and filter group. First option is sort A to Z and second option is sort Z to A option. The data will be sorted. Now start some practical. Step first, open Microsoft Excel worksheet. That is already open. Now step 2, click on any cell that contains data. We click here. Step third, click on data tab. Step 4, click on any one of the following option in sort and filter group. In sort and filter group, this is sort and filter group. There are two options, A to Z and Z to A. If you want to arrange data in ascending order, you click on A to Z option. Otherwise, in descending order, you click Z to A option. We are clicking in A to Z option. Our data is arranged in ascending order. Filter data in Microsoft Excel. Filtering means to view selected data. Microsoft Excel enables us to filter data which separates the record that we want to see from the whole set of records. Follow the given steps to filter data. Step first, open Microsoft Excel worksheet. Step 2, select the column whose data you need to filter. Step third, click on data tab. Step 4, click on filter option in sort and filter group. An arrow will be appear in the column heading of the selected column. Step 5, click on filter arrow. The drop down menu options will appear. Step 6, click on the check box which data you want to filter. Step 7, click on OK. In this sheet, we have some data of class 8th student. If you want to see only Bellplow student records, then we use filter option for this. Step first, open Microsoft Excel worksheet, that is already open. Second step, select the column whose data you need to filter. Click on address. Step third, click on data tab. Click on filter option in sort and filter group. In data tab, sort and filter group, filter option is available. Click on filter option. An arrow will appear in the column heading. Click on the filter arrow. Here, all the addresses are selected. First, you cancel it by clicking here. After that, you click on Bellplow option and click on OK. There are only the records, those are belong to Bellplow. I hope you understand this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.